In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a comment on cards in Trello with this simple and easy guide. Whether you're collaborating on a major project or simply trying to keep track of your personal tasks, commenting on Trello cards can be a vital tool for communication and clarity. So let's dive in and walk through the process together. To begin with, you'll want to open your favorite web browser and head over to Trello.com. Once you're on the home page, look for the login button and give it a click. You'll find it usually at the top right corner of the page. This will take you to the login screen. Now you have options here. You can log in using your email address, or if it's more convenient, you can use your Google account. This flexibility can save you time, especially if you're already signed in elsewhere. After successfully logging in, you're going to be directed to your Trello homepage. Here, the next step is to navigate to the board section. This is where all your Trello treasures are stored. In your dashboard, you'll also notice a section labeled Your Workspaces. This is where all the boards within your workspaces are organized for easy access. Have a glance over your different boards and click on the one where you want to leave a comment. Now that you're on your specific board, you'll want to locate the card you'll be working with. Just give that card a click to open it up. You'll notice that Trello cards are full of useful options and data, but for our purposes, we're focusing on one area specifically. Once your card is open, under the activity section, you'll see a field ready for you to add a comment. Click on that field and it's time to type out your message. Feel free to provide clarity, ask a question, or leave important notes for yourself or your team. Remember, effective communication is key in project management. After you've composed your comment and are satisfied with the content, your last step is crucial. Don't forget to click on Save. This action will ensure your comment is stored within the card's activity log so that everyone associated with the card can view and reference it when needed. This feature is incredibly useful for maintaining transparency and providing context throughout your project's lifecycle. And there you have it, a quick guide to commenting on Trello cards. Following these steps will ensure that your communications are seamlessly integrated into your workflow. As you interact more with Trello, you'll find that adding comments is a simple yet powerful way to stay organized and stay connected with your team's efforts. Thanks for watching and keep exploring all the features Trello has to offer for optimizing your productivity.